Okay, I want to put my decal right here. That'd be a good spot. First thing first, I clean this area up and then throw some alcohol on it, and then use the double-sided tape to put the emblem on. First thing first, let's clean this up. The badges, and we got alcohol pads. We use the alcohol pads to clean up the area before I put it on. See, there's double-sided tape on here, so I just got to position where I need to put it at. Take the double-sided tape off and put it carefully right where I need to put it. No pressure, and that's it. Nice. Exactly where I want it. Now let's put the other one on the other side. There it is. Perfect. Until next time, I'll see you.